it's very clear that this bottom seal here has failed. The polish rod in the middle seems very good condition, there's no scoring or no pitting or rust or anything. Spring and everything is in really good condition. I've looked online to see how much these cost new, and they are in excess of £400. That's £400 that I don't have right now. So the other option is there to have it rebuilt, which is things I like to do. It's good for the environment to always sort of keep things original and yeah, save a bit of money generally. So I phoned up a local company called Falcon Shocks. They're just up the road from me in Wareham, Dorset. They make and sell shocks all over the country, but they wanted £250 plus that to rebuild this shock. So obviously that's not going to happen. That's not worth it. I've had a look on the internet. I found a nice friendly guy called Lucas on eBay, and he's willing to rebuild this shock for £125, including postage back to me. I'm just waiting to see how long it's going to take. I think that's got to be the option. So right, next thing to do is to package it all up and box it up and send it away.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Lucas here from T-Tech Suspension. Your shock arrived. We've got this in the vise. We're going to start by removing the spring. As you can see, the damper is dead. That's it. There's still a bit of pressure left. What the oil looks like. seal head ready, all your parts clean. We're gonna wait till we can't see any more bubbles coming out. I guess another few minutes. Okay. Okay. Let the machine go through the whole process. I've changed the setting, and we're just going to press OK, and we'll do the same. And that's it. We're done. And we can now see different rebound settings, compression. All we have left is clean the preload adjuster and the spring. Once we have everything clean, we're gonna send out the shock. And that's us done.